My arm's not fucking long enough. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. I've been super busy in this shop. I've had a lot going on, but I'm excited to be back uploading content. I hope you like these videos. Please leave a comment down below, share them, help me get subscribers. It's been awesome, 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 awesome. Blah, blah, blah. You know what? It's so hard to get it right. I've shot this like a million times already this morning. I haven't been in front of the camera for a long time, and I feel like you sort of lose it. You lose that confidence, but I'm excited to be back uploading content.
Here's a few tips on how to improve your time with the client in your chair.
So for me, timing is everything. So I actually separate all my foils before I actually start. Because if you're in a client, you know, for me to pick up this, or for me to mess around and try and get it off that stack, it cuts down a good 5 minutes, 10 minutes off my time to actually already have them separated, so it speeds up my time. Timing is everything to me. People think I'm crazy because I even actually pre-cut pretty much all my foils, so I don't have to waste time in between trying to figure out if I'm gonna have enough foils for the next client. It's just about being organized. And before my client even walks in the door, I actually have things set up already. Again, it just cuts down time. I know what color she's typically gonna have this client, so I have it ready. I have it ready to go. I have a measuring cup. So when she comes in, I can just get started. Another one is that I actually never put down my comb. I always have it in my hand because I see people drop it, go do their client, and then have to pick it up again for the next section. I always hang on to it because every time you do this, believe it or not, it will add up. Seconds matter, so it will add 5 minutes less that you have to spend on that client, you know. Telling you, timing is everything. All these little things make a big difference when you're doing a client. I'm telling you, my arm's not long enough. And I always get here before my client does. You know, I'm always running on time. It's important.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.